buffalo plaid pillows. Aren't they adorable? I'm going to show you guys how to make them out of just baby blankets. That's right, $4 for 2 pillows if you already have the insert. I ended up spending $8 total because I didn't have the inserts yet. All right, if everybody's ready, let's get started. Okay, for this DIY, we are going to need 2 of these little baby blankets. I chose the buffalo plaid in the gray because I thought it was really, really pretty. And these are super, super soft. And you're going to need an ugly pillow. I found mine at Goodwill for $2. And it is ugly. Okay, so if you don't have a pillow, you can always use stuffing for this, but a pillow that's already made is just so much easier. I'm going to take the tag off of my first blanket and lay it down. And these don't have like a whole lot of wrinkles in them, so that's like perfect. I'm going to put my pillow straight in the center. And in order to get it in the center, you might have to fold it up so you can kind of tell where the center actually is. And it looks like I have it pretty much centered. So I'm happy with that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to count how close it is on the sides to make sure. I have 1 row and 2 and then 3. So all the way up to this gray. So I'm going to remember this white one right here is where I'm going to stop. So I'm going to use this white line right here all the way around. I tried to move that up so you guys could see it a little better. But if you look at the end of the pillow, it is leaving this white line right here. So I have 1, 2 dark gray squares. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut all the way up to that white line. And I can start anywhere. And I'm just going to cut all the way up to the white line. So cut every single square. And just cut it all the way up to the white line. All the way around. And make sure that you're stopping at the same exact point. These cuts do not have to be perfect, but you want to get them as straight as you can. And the lines in this particular blanket help you to do that. If you use one of the ones that have the patterns that are not squares, it's a little bit more difficult to do. And when you get to the edge, like I'm at the edge right here, and try to zoom it in so you guys can see the edge. Over here, I'm at the edge. I've cut all but that part right there. So while I'm at the edge, I'm going to stop on this white one, and then I'm going to cut a big square off the end. And I'll show you exactly what I cut off. Oops. This is how much I cut off. So if you look at it, I cut off 1, 2, 3. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this. I'm going to pull my blanket so you guys can see. And I'm going to use this as a template. So I need to go all the way to the side. So I'm going to cut this one. And I'm going to cut this one. And while I'm cutting this one, I'm going to go straight down and cut it that way. I'm going to do this to 2 different blankets. And I'm going to do this on every single side. So you guys go ahead and work on that. And I'll be right back as soon as I get done with it. Okay, so the next step is to line your blankets up. And we're just going to tie them together. Okay, guys, there it is on the couch. How farmhouse chic is that? It is so adorable. I'm going to switch the pillows around and show you what it looks like with the white pillows in front. Isn't that gorgeous? I love it. So, so pretty. Okay, guys, so I'm sorry, but we are at the end. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I really enjoyed making the pillows, and I know that my family is going to absolutely love them.